hope you all are fine. So in this video I'm going to discuss the word problems or the problems from direct and indirect variations. Okay, so let's see what is the first question here. In this question it says that a truck covers a distance of 510 km in 34 liters of diesel. Okay, first we have to see that whether this quantities given here are indirect or indirect variation. Okay, then we will solve it accordingly. So here a truck covers a distance of 510 km. So the first quantity we will take as the distance traveled. Okay, then it is written that it is in 34 liters of diesel. Okay, so the second quantity is the quantity of petrol. Okay, so it is 34 liters, means the truck is traveling 510 kilometers in 34 liters of diesel. Okay, so what we have to take out or find out that how much it would cover in 20 liters of diesel. Okay, so here we have to find the distance traveled by the truck in 20 liters of petrol. Okay, so first we have to see or make out whether this is in direct variation or inverse variation. See, so if it is 34 liters of petrol, the distance traveled by this truck is 510 km. So it means more the petrol, more the quantity of petrol, the distance traveled will be more. Now we have to see that this truck travels how much distance in 20 liters, means now the quantity of petrol has decreased, so the distance traveled by the truck will also decrease. It means it is in, these two quantities are in which variations? Yes, direct variation. Okay, they are in direct variation because when the quantity of petrol is more, the distance traveled is more. When the quantity of petrol is less, the distance traveled will also be less. Okay, so let's see how to solve this one. Okay, now we'll see that the first quantity is the quantity of petrol, and the second quantity you can take it as x. Okay, and the distance traveled, this quantity or the variable you can take it as y. Okay, so what is the first condition that we have given? That in 34 liters of petrol, the distance covered by the truck is 510. Okay, now in the second part, what is given? That we have to find out that how much the truck travels when it has 20 liters of petrol. So we have to find the distance traveled by the truck in 20 liters. So we have seen that these two quantities are in direct variations. That means x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2, or you can write it as x1 y1 x2 y2 for your convenience. Okay, now in place of x1 we have to put 34 upon distance traveled is 510 is equal to x2 is your 20 upon y2. Okay, then you have to cross multiply. It will be 34 into y2 is equal to 20 into 510. Okay, then y2 will be equal to 20 into 510 upon 34. Here 10 2s are 20, 17 2s are 34, 17 1s are 17, 17 3s are 51 and this 30 here. So y2 is equal to 300 kilometer. So when the truck has 20 liters of diesel, it travels 300 kilometers. See, you can see that when the quantity of petrol decreased, the distance traveled also decreased. Okay, so hope you understood this question. And if you have yet not subscribed to the channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.